Welcome to this tutorial on managing a GoHenry child account. GoHenry is a financial service that provides a debit card and mobile app designed for kids and teens to learn money management skills. As a parent, managing your child's GoHenry account is essential to ensure they develop good financial habits. First, you need to create an account on the GoHenry website or mobile app. Once you have created your account, you can add your child's details and order a debit card for them. The debit card is linked to their account, and you can load money onto it. To manage your child's account, log into your GoHenry account and navigate to the dashboard. From here, you can view your child's account balance, transaction history, and set spending limits. You can also set up automated allowance payments, which will transfer money from your account to your child's account at regular intervals. One of the key features of GoHenry is the ability to set tasks for your child to complete in exchange for money. These tasks can be chores or other responsibilities, and you can assign a monetary value to each task. When your child completes a task, you can approve the payment, and the money will be transferred to their account. To help your child develop good money management skills, you can also set up savings goals. These goals can be short-term or long-term, and you can encourage your child to save a portion of their money each month. GoHenry also provides educational resources and tips to help your child learn about money management. In addition to managing your child's account, you can also use the GoHenry app to receive notifications when your child makes a purchase or withdraws cash. This allows you to stay on top of their spending and provide guidance when needed. To ensure your child's account is secure, make sure to set up a PIN for their debit card and encourage them to keep their card and account details safe. You should also monitor their account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to GoHenry's customer support team. By following these steps and using the features provided by GoHenry, you can help your child develop good money management skills and a healthy relationship with money. Remember to regularly review your child's account activity and provide guidance and support when needed. With GoHenry, you can give your child the tools they need to become financially independent and responsible.